No. Right, me there read up and I talk to my friend. Tea and biscuit.
Never go on tea party at Jamaica.
A who?
Never go on tea party at Jamaica yet. Chicken, fish, that, this tea party.
No. Me say to my sister, say me carry down our tea, cause she like our English tea.
Oh.
And it.
Oh.
And me dey carry some biscuit for her, but me say as a dry man eat them. She said as long as a dry man eat them, he alright. Anybody else know they need to bite back. Tell her no a dry man. And he make Deja pull it, innit? I never you pull it. I never did you pull it. No? Yeah, you did say pull. You finally pull. Yeah. That day there. And what that? No, no sound so low. Sound like a tire bus. So yes, I look nice already as me just clean it out. And I said no, I should have on my gloves, you know. This is one another mint. This is one let me tell you what kind of mint this. I think I just garden mint this one be. Peoples, we just had a cup of mint tea. Me should have shown you almighty. It's from the Swiss mint. Right there, sir. That's Swiss mint right there, sir. Me just have a cup of tea from there. Switzerland, innit? Switzerland tea. Switzerland mint tea. The Swiss. So I just clean out this thingy. And this one I needed in here so as well. These are like some big trees. I need to get them out. I'm only just like a curl the thing. Ah! Draw blood.
That's gardener's tree.
Isa, me should this. Me said to me, I should have on my gloves.
That's farmer's tree.
Yeah, man, I always get hooked. I always get hooked with something. Right. I know no, so I know oak tree there. I think I did oaky. So as me say, clean up there. Clean up time. I forgot bend down because I don't want to start hurt up my back. I go to Jamaica with backache and come back with none. I'm there back almost a week now. Crikey. I feel some niggling. I say, I just in the mind. I just in the mind. I just in the mind. I hope I just in the mind. This mind feel physical. I don't know what this is. I take it out. I'm going to turn into one of them big ass trees what I don't want. That's it. No, I think it's the elderberry. I think of the elderberry, you know. May plant them in somewhere else. I think of the elderberry. Bless me. Alright, so one pot ready again. Take these out. Okay, one pot ready. This will look good. Alright, this time I go make tea party. So what kind of biscuit you go carry?
Every one of them is a biscuit.
The rich biscuit and the nice biscuit and the yeah. Me not blame you. No. You just get up and start do your thing. So DJ your auntie? A cousin? Okay. Okay, yeah. Family.
When you left mommy and I go down by the house, you see on the right hand side.
Mm-hmm.
The house there.
Okay. Michael. Aye. This is my sage now. Me they call the other one sage. This is the sage. See him? And the sage, this one, and it a bloom. Look, and there you say it a bloom. It bloom some pretty something. See him? Don't bother broke him now. Jesus, did I just broke him now? Forget me not. Right here, sir. Some pretty. And then I have potato you saw girl as well. Potato them look nice. And you see when you don't remember things, when you don't remember what things do them look better. This I know what I don't want him in this, so I go cut him out. So I look at my shit. It's strawberry, so I want to leave the strawberry in this, but I want to hook him. So I have to go move him first. Move this one too. Yeah. I want Maka hook me. That's it, shake off the dirt. Oh, what at a bike? Everybody get frightened, cause look the sun out. They were waiting more than me. And them I wait for. Ain't so? Can't stay there. I love them summer. Anything for look of sun. I tell people say 2 weeks before me left England, me not see no sun appear rain. Nobody no believe me. One man that they listen to me conversation saying come from France. Here, listen to me. I've been listening to you, you know, and I didn't say one word. But I had to go in on and say, I looked through my window 3 weeks before I left. No sun. Him said it was just grey. He said he wanted to cry, but he would have done nothing. So I'm just booking tickets straight away and saying I come to Jamaica. So he was there 3 weeks before I came. And he said I spend 3 more weeks. 6 weeks. He said I have to soak up enough because when he go back, it now go look. I said to myself, oh God, I said I have women. So the little sun will come out to them, my glad feet. Because I can actually build up back my melanin and my vitamin D. Eh? You can't stay there. No. Not even. Can't put this one in here, so. No, sir. Arm and a leg. Yep. Let me go deep with him. No, you have to go to it. Get the roots there. Yeah. How if you come? But I carry it. But I carry it a long time. Everybody, it'd be hard to split up. Imagine splitting up like a Jamaica over here. If I did say it work, oh God, nobody would know have to go nowhere. We're just going out with suitcase, sweet. Going out with suitcase for Mr. Jamaica. Yeah. Different something. Totally. Different type of fish. Yeah. See that? That's a clean up now. And just take my time and do my thing. See it there? Yeah, in our house 3 weeks. He said look through the window. He said just pure grey. Grey. It been raining in France for 3 weeks, him say. Straight, non-stop, him say, non-stop. You know? Pardon you. Non-stop, him say it a rain. So I know exactly what I say and he know exactly what I say because people are saying, no, a lie. He must say, lies. I don't think we're going to go there. Him say, honest truth. 3 weeks. Me just making continue talk. They never dare take me on now. When they hear 3 weeks now, everybody zoom over to him. Can you have more topic now, you know? Horrible, man. So I was baking in the sun. People ask me, why you look so dark? I say, why not? Why not look so dark? What the granny? My comfy dark, not my skin here come ask me why my comfy look so dark. My comfy get burn and melanin and my vitamin C rise up. And look, me never come back looking like a tar baby. Well dark. Yeah, shiny. Right, so all of them here, I go in on me local fertilizer pan. See this now? This is not strawberry. Eh? Yeah. My birthday month. Oh no, me pick up one strawberry by accident. Let me see, I mean the bell go bloom too, you know. These now gonna come good now. Can I go mess with it? I mess with it so it now gonna come good now. I have to dash him away. Yeah, because if we put him back into the ground, the flowers are gonna just wither down. I need energy to build back which part the root cut. The root cut already, so it's gonna need energy for this. So it now go make no sense. And then these now my cleavers, me need these for make the fertilizer. So me now go take these out yet. These ones here, so me cleaver them there. Now I go touch them. But you see run us look nice already. And so my pumpkin plant. How water run gonna pumpkin belly? Ask me old time granny. I will sing that song there. Whoa. Eh? Oh, you still the boat? And one song in did sing? Everybody have them wonder day, you know. I had mine too. Dinosaur. Look how yours look nice. And I just want a little patch me do. Clean and pretty already. Now I need the clippers to cut through in here, so now. You know, so need clippers, guys. You know, so dangerous. Dangerous. Yeah, this is evening primrose seeds. I want that. So me just knock them back out. Eh? Evening primrose? Yeah. She know every woman in a town. Cause she help regulate woman hormone. Ah, one real woman? No, me talk about the plant, yes, sir. This me talk about, sir. These are the only rose and primrose me know. Oh. Yeah, she well old then, innit? She well old, innit? Friend. Crikey, the whole of St. Elizabeth, you're related to them? I think you're related to the whole of St. E. Okay, now. No. Alright, look. And the strawberry, let me find somewhere quicker. Yeah. Why me hook up? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Indian look. Your mother have that Indian look still. Mm-hmm. Sometime. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. You know them type of way there. Wow, right, this will look so nice. I mean, if you cut out in this now. Over here, somebody want to figure now. Mass look that me just kill. Rest in peace. I don't know. I just see chicken, the chicken back them in there, innit? Somebody I think if do probably that soup back.